Welcome back to the channel All Tech Enthusiasts. Today we are diving deep into the headline that is sending ripples across the entire enterprise tech landscape. IBM has just completed its massive $11 billion acquisition of Confluent. If you're wondering why this deal is such a big deal, trust me, you're not alone. This isn't just about any other big tech company buying a small one. This is IBM, a titan of industry, making a strategic power play that could fundamentally reshape the future of data, cloud computing, and perhaps most importantly, artificial intelligence. For $11 billion, IBM isn't just buying a company, they are buying what many consider to be the nervous system of the modern enterprise. We are going to break down this Confluent actually does and why IBM need it so badly, what this means for the competition, and what it means for you, whether you are a developer, an IT professional, or an investor. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is Confluent? At its core, Confluent is built around an Apache Kafka, an open source distributed streaming platform. Now, streaming platform might sound a bit abstract, but think of it this way. In the old days, data was like mail. You had collected a bunch of letters and put them in a batch, send them off once a day. That's a batch processing. But in today's world, data needs to be like instant messages, flowing continuously in real time from everywhere to everywhere else. Confluent takes Apache Kafka, which can be very complex to manage, and makes it incredibly easy for businesses to implement, scale, and also secure. They provide a cloud native service that acts as a central nervous system for an organization's data. Every click, every transactions, every sensor reading, it allows flows through Confluent. This real-time data flow is absolutely critical for everything from fraud detection to personalized customer experience to instantly update inventory system and even powering self-driving cars. In essence, Confluent help companies more from reacting to data to anticipating with data. So why did IBM, a company that already has a vast portfolio, feel the need to shell out $11 billion for Confluent? The answer lies in two major strategic pillars: hybrid cloud and artificial intelligence, particularly generative AI and their big Sonics platform. IBM has been heavily invested in the hybrid cloud strategy with Red Hat OpenShift at its core. They went further and they wanted to be go-to market for businesses running workload across public clouds, private clouds, and on-premise data centers. But a hybrid cloud isn't truly effective if your data is stuck in silos or moving slowly. Confluent provides that seamless real-time data fabric that glues everything together, regardless of where the data originates or where it needs to go. It makes the hybrid cloud truly hybrid and real-time. Then there is AI. IBM has made massive bet on AI with platforms like Watson's generative AI model, in particular thriving on fresh, relevant data. Imagine an AI agent trying to make a real-time recommendation to a customer, or an AI system monitoring factory equipment for predictive maintenance. If that AI is working with stale data, it's virtually useless. Confluent provide the high fidelity real-time data stream that are the lifeblood of the advanced AI applications. It's the difference between an AI that analyzes history and an AI that can react to the present moment. This acquisition gives IBM a critical advantage in providing the full stack for AI driven enterprises. The IBM's CEO has been vocal about the data being the new oil, and this acquisition shows they are not just talking, they are walking the talk. They are, with this 11 billion investment, they are definitely making waves, ripples in the market. This move signifies IBM's clear intent to be a leader in the next generation of enterprise computing, where data fluidity and AI-driven insights are paramount. They saw a critical gap in their offerings, that a real-time data streaming capability, and they went after the market leader. So what does this mean for the competitive landscape? This acquisition is a direct challenge to players like Snowflake, Databricks, and the major cloud provider like AWS and even Google Cloud. Why are all vying for dominance of data management and AI? While these companies offer various data services, Confluent's specialized focus on real-time data events streaming via Kafka gives IBM a unique arrow in its quiver. IBM can now offer a more comprehensive integrated solution from infrastructure to data streaming to AI applications, all within its hybrid cloud strategy. This could force competitors to re-evaluate their own real-time data strategies or pursue similar acquisitions. It is definitely going to heat up the data war. Now, what does this mean for existing Confluent customers and developers who rely on Apache Kafka? For Confluent customers, the initial message from IBM is one of the continuity. IBM understands the importance of open source and the Kafka ecosystem. The expectation is that the Confluent will continue to operate largely independently, maintaining its focus on the Apache Kafka community and the platform. But now, with the immense resource and global reach of IBM behind it, this could mean faster innovation, more robust global support, and deeper integration possibility within the broader IBM portfolio. For developer, it means Kafka's future just got a very powerful endorsement from a major enterprise player, likely ensuring its continued growth and relevance. This $11 billion acquisition of Confluent is a bold strategic statement from IBM. It's a clear signal that they are doubling down on real data, hybrid cloud, and AI as the pillar of their future growth. Whether this bet pays off big for Big Blue remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure, the enterprise tech world just got a whole lot more interesting. So friends, what are your thoughts on this acquisition? Do you think IBM made a smart move or did they overplay? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out our next deep dive. Thanks for joining live, thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.